guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday with the next part with technical terms used in plant breeding. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे environment के बारे में. What is environment? Sum total of external conditions which influence an organism. जितना भी external factor जो कि influence करता है वो होता है environment. अब abiotic environment क्या हो जाएगा? Non-living environmental factors are known as abiotic environment, and similarly biotic environment will be living factors of the environment which influence an organism. Now environment optimal क्या होता है? When there is no interference by any environmental factor with the complete expression of the genotypic potential of an individual या फिर line, कोई interference नहीं हो, then it is optimal. And similar is the stress free environment or optimal environment is same. Now next one is enzyme engineering, enhancing the activity or changing the substrate specificity of an enzyme by changing its amino acid sequence. जैसे कि थ्रू साइट डायरेक्टेड म्यूटाजेनेसिस मीन्स हम लोग इंटेंशनली चेंज कर दे रहे हैं सबस्ट्रेट का, जिसकी वजह से अमीनो एसिड का सीक्वेंस चेंज हो रहा है. Now, the last one is enzyme technology, that is, immobilizing of enzymes in different matrices with a view to enhance their efficiency, reusability, or hygiene. ठीक है, immobilizing of enzyme in different matrices, enzyme technology. So that's it for the day. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till that. Take care. Bye bye.